For this recipe, I'm using the green moong dal or the whole moong dal which you use for tarka. I have taken 1 cup of moong dal and 1 cup of the big sabudana, which I have washed and soaked it for 4 hours. After 4 hours, I'm going to cook this dal in the pressure cooker till 1 whistle. We don't want to overcook it, just 1 whistle is enough. And see, we need this kind of dal which is cooked but not the smashy one. Now I will strain out the water and I will add this dal, moong dal, into a bowl. Into it I'm going to add the chopped coriander leaves, round about 3 to 4 tablespoons of coriander leaves, and grated ginger, round about 1 inch of grated ginger, and some green chilies chopped. And now I will strain out the water from the sabudana. See, my sabudana has been soaked well and it has raised its size. And now I'm going to strain this into a strainer, and I'm going to add in the bowl 1 tablespoon of roasted coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted zira powder into it, and I will add salt according to the taste. I have used here around about half a teaspoon of salt, and I will add chaat masala, around about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. After that, I'm going to add the sabudana, which I have strained out the water from the sabudana and it's dry, and now I'm going to add in the bowl with all the masalas. I'm going to use a masher. You can use your hand too. I'm going to mash everything with a masher. And now I will use my washed hands, clean hands here, and I'm going to mix all together into a tight dough. We need to strain the water from the dal and water from the sabudana to get a dry consistency like this. If you think that your nuggets is not well shaped, then you can use a little bit of cornstarch into it. But I have not used here because my dough is quite tight now. Now I'll make small balls out of this dough, and I will rest this in the freezer for around about 45 to 1 hour. You can set these balls in the refrigerator into a Ziploc bag and store it, and whenever necessary you can fry it. You can store this sabudana vada in the freezer for around about 1 month. And now my balls has been ready, and I'll keep it in the freezer, and I'll fry it in hot oil till it's golden brown. My heat should be in slow to medium heat. I'll fry all the balls, all the nuggets till it's golden brown, and serve it. And it's a very healthy and good for your Vrat time. So do try this in your Navratri Vrat, and let me know in the comment section how do you like it. It's very easy to make, and it is very, very healthy and very tasty. So do try it. All the vadas has been fried well. It's golden in color, and serve it hot with some chutney, green chutney. And do enjoy this in this Vrat season, that is Navratri special.